मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं रत्नभूषण, फ्रेंड मोटिवेटर एंड गाइड टू आईएएस एस्पिरेंट, इंटरनेशनल मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, लीडरशिप ट्रेनर, सीईओ, कोच, पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रेटजिस्ट एंड पॉलिसी एडवाइजर. Welcome to ASGIS. ASGIS, the leading institute for IAS preparation. Join our Success Foundation course. We are discussing about the General Studies Men's Paper 1998. 1998. Part 6. The question is, who has claimed the responsibility for the recent bomb attacks on American embassy at Nairobi and Dar es Salaam? What are their demands? Actually, this event took place around 1998, so that's why question has been made like this. Islamic Army for the Liberation of Muslim Holy Sites claimed responsibility for those attacks. Its principal demands were to free all Muslim religious leaders and youths imprisoned in America and other countries, to stop American support to Israel, to withdraw American army from all Muslim countries including Arab Peninsula, to stop America's interference with Islamic countries into internal and religious. What is next question? What is the significance of Pope John Paul II visit to Cuba? What is the significance of Pope John Paul II visit to Cuba? Pope John Paul II visited Cuba in January 1998. He criticized 36-year-old economic bans by America over Cuba. He also appealed to Cuba government to liberate all political prisoners. Very importantly, Pope appealed the world to combine against America's bans over Cuba to pressurize America. The next question is, what are the significant features of Lokpal bill recently introduced in the Lok Sabha? The bill provides for creation of a 3-member of Lokpal committee with 1 chairperson and 2 members. It will investigate into the complaints against the Prime Minister, members of the Parliament, or ministers acting or retired in the matters of corruption. It will report its finding to the Parliament. The President will appoint Lokpals with consultation of 7-member committee. The next question is, why was a variant of Basmati rice in news? Why was the variant of Basmati rice in news? American rice variants, Texamati, produced by an American company, Rice Tank, was in news because Indian Institute, Research and Foundation for Science and Technology and Ecology, under the chairperson of Dr. Vandana Shiv, has filed a case in the WTO. This case is based on the violation of intellectual property rights. The next question is, what solution has been arrived at recently in the Kaveri water dispute? In August 1997, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Pondicherry arrived on a decision to implement the interim order of the Kaveri River Water Tribunal 1991. A 4-point formula will be enforced under the chairmanship of Prime Minister. In this regard, Karnataka is required to release 205 TMC feet water to Tamil Nadu every year. The next question is, bring out the issues involved in the appointments of transfer of judges of Supreme Court and High Courts in India. Bring out the issues involved in the appointment of transfer of judges of the Supreme Court and High Court in India. According to the law declared by the Supreme Court, the judges are to be appointed and transferred by the President after consultation with the body of judges of the Supreme Court and High Court. Questions that arises are, number 1, is President bound to follow advice to the CGI only? 2, is CGI Chief Justice of India required to consult other judges? And 3, is consultation means concurrence?